Welcome all to our channel Learn Marathi with HP. Today we are going to learn some vocabulary, some daily using words. Vocabulary means Shabda Sangraha. In Marathi, there is one word for vocabulary, that is Shabda Sangraha. Why Shabda Sangraha? Then Shabda means words and Sangraha means collection. The collection of words is Shabda Sangraha, means vocabulary. Our first word is pen, means lekhani. What to say? Lekhani. Pen means lekhani in Marathi. Lekhani. In daily use, we don't use that much this word lekhani. We just use pen. But lekhani is bookish word and proper word for pen in Marathi. Lekhani. Computer means sanganak. Computer means sanganak. Sanganak. Notebook. There is one word for notebook, that is wahi. Wahi means notebook. Now what to say for book? That is pustak. Pustak means book. Toys. Toys. Toy means खेळणे. Toy, खेळणे. Rain. Rain means paus. Paus. If you see clouds, then what to say for clouds in Marathi? Then cloud means dhag. Cloud means dhag. Dhag. Sun. Sun means Surya. Sun means Surya. There is also one word for sun, that is Ravi. Ravi. There are many words, more than 10 words for sun, but randomly we just waterfall means dhabdhaba. School. School means shala. Shala. This l letter is extra in Marathi. If you know about Hindi language, then there is no l letter. But in Marathi, we use l extra. That is similar to l. But we have discussed about it in our previous lecture. That word is sakal. For morning, I have used sakal. And let's see how to use if you don't know how to pronounce this letter. See, there is a diagram and there is one word. First is l, second is l, and third one is r. That is not in Marathi, but still we should focus on these both letters, that is l and l. Above is first l, that is normal l. There is in English also, Hindi and other languages. But middle one is l. That red line is showing your mouth, and that green, light green line is showing the position of your tongue. So while saying l, normal l, you just touch your tongue to the l word in just near to your teeth. But when saying ळ, just position is changed backward to the teeth, and you just have to touch the some backward from l, that makes the sound ळ, to make sound ळ. So here we have learnt some vocabulary, so just try to repeat after me whatever we have learnt. Now you will have to remind it. So revise. What was the word for waterfall? What was? Try to remember. Waterfall means dhabdhaba, dhab-dhaba, dhab-dhaba. And what was the meaning of sun? Surya, Surya, right, Surya. Next, pen, pen means lekhani, lekhani. And what was for computer? Right, for computer there is one word, that is sanganak, sanganak. I know those are little bit difficult to remember because those are not that much in use in daily life. So just if you want to learn a proper Marathi, so you can use these words, or while reading some hard language books which are written in proper Marathi, so you can get what is the meaning of those words. Now just these were some words we have remembered and revised. So now note down those words and try to use. If you use those words in your daily practice, so you will remember. Okay, bye.